Okay, let's fix some fence. As you guys know, if you followed along, we had a bull get out into our neighbor's pasture, so we had a ton of rain. So we were going around, double checking everything to see the damage that had been done. This gate was completely destroyed, got that fixed, and then we moved on to the creek bottom, where you'll see here shortly, there was a big tree, which I didn't record. I should have recorded it, but it was a big tree that was in the middle of that, and we pulled it out and we redid all of the fence and got it all fixed up. This thing is the best. No charger in the middle of nowhere, and I'm still able to charge my phone. Amazing. Check out the link and you can get one too. It's literally a lifesaver. She's hot out, boys. But at least there's a breeze.